27, 28, 29, 30. Moving up. I think we're clear for here at the moment. I'm gonna move up again. What you see? I'm being shot at. Where's this? I'm being shot at still. Where's he at? I can't see anything right here. Yarb, am I good to come out of this box? Right in front of you. Yeah, sure. I don't know if I can. I'm legit right here. I can't go that way? What's there? Can I hit it? Tango down, I think. He looks pretty dead. Take that one out. Ah, that was not me. Gavin, where are you at? Where's he at? I got you. Well, I don't have you, but I understand. Yeah. Give me some cover and fire, if you can.
Don't poke out. Use your gun. Just use your gun. No blind fire. No blind fire. What? Go around, John. Drop my contact stop. Drop my contact stop. I know what's wrong.
Hey, I'm gonna tag you. I'm still alive. Move out of the way so I can see. Hey, move over so I can see. Don't bang bang. Well, I don't care what you do. Never mind. He's dead? Man, I wanted a revolver kill. On a scale of 1 to 10, how dead are you guys?
Real dead.
Okay.
Bang, bang, bang.
I don't know how many of them are left.
Well, we got the cat. Is there a bleed out?
I don't know. You have to ask the ref. Hey, let's push up around the top. Yerb, come up on the top. We got to get our guy back. Where's our captain? Our captain, not their captain. Our captain? We can take the flag.
We have the flag. We're holding it. He said we had to hold it until he gets ready for us to extract.
Oh.
So right now
we're right there.
We're just holding the flag up now.
I'm going to get an angle on him. Oh, Jacob's dead. 2 tangos down. There's one left. He's in this box. There's one in this box, I'm pretty sure. There's not. Where did he go? Who's that back there? I know, but there's people coming out of it. Are they friendly?
Yeah,
I see red.
The embassy is big.
Okay. I had to hunt down. Those guys are about to bleed out and respawn. If you want to post up and kill them again when they come back in. He said 2 minutes, I think. He'll probably respawn you before we extract.